Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can send coins on 8Ball Pool's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To send coins on 8Ball Pool, firstly go ahead and launch open your 8Ball Pool application. You will end up on the home page of 8Ball Pool's account. From the home page, click on gift icon at the bottom left corner of the page. From the pop-up option, click on Send Gifts option. Tap on Send Free Coins option. Select the person you'd like to send coins by tapping on their name, or else you can select every one of them by tapping on Select All option and then click on Send. This is how you can send coins on 8Ball Pool's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.